So again, when we talk about limitations and benefits of semantic fields in translation, we would say that a major limitation for the categorization process in linguistics is that there's often there's no work or the process of categorization itself doesn't work well with abstract words or functional words, as we said, and uh, and because this resists clear classification into semantic fields. But despite the shortcoming, understanding semantic fields and lexical sets can offer significant value in translation, and especially in two main ways. For the first one is that cultural and lexical differences across languages. Okay, when we recognize how different languages structure semantic fields, this would help translators interpret meaning more accurately. For example, in English, the word temperature or the category or the semantic field temperature includes distinct words or distinguished words like, let's say, the word cold, cool, warm, and hot. Arabic, however, or on the other hand, structure this field differently. يعني it has the word بارد وحار وساخن and دافئ, and each one has its own usage. فلما نحكي بارد covers both cold and cool. حار describes hot weather. ساخن refers to hot objects, and دافئ means something warm. Okay, and this in this way we would say that Arabic doesn't distinguish between cold and cool as English does, but it does separately say the idea of hot based on context. Another distinction in English lacks also, or another distinction in English, that English language imposes limits on metaphorical, let's say, uses of the word hot, which is hot and refers to temper, but not. Sometimes we can say hot feeling, and we can also use it as hot to describe the temper, and this would reflect the influence of collocational rules also. The distinction between these words in the English language can appear in some of examples, as we see, and like the example here, the nights were cool, as you see in this example, and the word cool here expresses mild temperature. But when we say he was afraid of the Moscow cold, yeah, emphasizes extreme environmental conditions. So that such differences require careful handling in Arabic translation due to the lack of one-to-one lexical matches. So we have here another example where قالوا يا أبانا استغفر لنا and we would say that خاطئين something differ, or the meaning of this word differs from the word مخطئين, so that when we translate such words from Arabic into English, we should be more careful, because the two words have, let's say, different meanings, and maybe the meanings are related, but they are different, because خاطئ يعني so that we would say we can't describe it as we were wrong. Okay, so we would say we were sinner or we have been sinner.